Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever bought a rug and then realized it's too small for your space? Like it's kind of just floating around like an island and you pay good money for it, so you don't really want to get rid of it, but it's just making everything feel awkward. I totally get it. Like rugs are really expensive. They're quite an investment piece. So buying a large rug can easily cost over $1,000. You know, we've all done it. We try to save a bit of money here and there by buying a slightly smaller rug, thinking that it would fit, but now it's just making everyone feel uncomfortable. And by everyone, I'm talking about all the furniture pieces in your house. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the correct rug size and also how to make a rug that's too small for your space work. It's so much easier to show you visually what I'm talking about and way more entertaining as well. So let's get a room going. Here's a pretty standard apartment that needs some love. I'm thinking a sofa along this wall, maybe an accent chair here. Ooh, love how that's looking so far. How great is this chair, by the way? Okay, I reckon a round coffee table here would suit the layout better, and a square side table over here to balance out all the curves. Some window dressing. Ooh, I love that color. Now, this wall is screaming for something, maybe like a little stool with some artwork above. Oh my god, that's looking super cute. We need a floor lamp over here and some greenery in this corner. A vintage stool over here would look great. A lamp and some styling on this side table, some coffee table things and some cushions on the sofa. A large canvas would look great on this wall, and maybe a different wall paint color, and we're done. Now the only thing missing is the rug. If you've got the budget for it, buy a rug that is large enough to fit all the legs of your furniture pieces on it. Make sure you've got around 20 centimeters from the edge of your rug to the edge of your large furniture pieces so that it doesn't look like they're sitting right on the edge. Something to consider when you're going for this look is to make sure that your rug doesn't run all the way to the walls. Otherwise, it looks a bit like you've got wall-to-wall carpet. So give a bit of breathing room between the walls and the edge of the rug. In this apartment, the sofa is right up against the wall, and I want to give a bit of breathing room between the edge of the rug and the wall. So it's totally okay in this instance to just have the two front legs of the sofa on the rug and the other two back legs on the floor. This rug option size is probably the most popular and also the most practical, having only the front legs of your furniture pieces on the rug. That way all the furniture feels like they're all still connected, but you don't need to have a huge rug to achieve this look. To get this right, make sure your rug extends about halfway under each large piece of your furniture pieces, and also maintain that 20 centimeter space between your furniture pieces and the edge of the rug. Here is a space with a rug that's too small. It's kind of just floating around and none of the big furniture items are even touching it. A great way to make that rug not look lost is actually to put it on top of another larger rug. The trick is to choose a rug that is a neutral color, for example like a natural jute rug or similar sort of color tones, or even just like a block neutral color. That way it would blend in with a lot of different designs and colors and styles. You can either center the rug or go for like an asymmetrical look. I know you're probably thinking like, if I need to spend money on a new rug anyways, why don't I just buy a larger rug of the rug that I already had? I mean, you can totally do that, but it would probably cost you more money to buy a larger rug of the design that you already had, especially if it's like a chenille rug or something with a bit more pattern and design. Whereas if you buy a large jute rug or sort of like a block color rug, it'll probably cost you way less. I mean, down the line, if you want to replace your rug, you can totally do that when you have the budget, but this is a great little sort of alternative if you don't really have the budget to buy a really large rug and you kind of want to fix the awkward furniture situation in your house. I really hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other like design queries or comments or decor sort of problems, leave me a comment down below and I could tackle it in a future video. Thanks again for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!